How to add pictures to TikTok videos. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're wondering how to add pictures to your TikTok videos and make them more creative, you're in the right place. I'm Enes, and today, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're logged in, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you create new videos, but you can also add pictures to make your content stand out. To add pictures, tap the gallery icon on the right side of the screen. Once you're in the gallery, select the photos you'd like to include in your video. You can choose one or multiple images, it's totally up to you. After selecting, tap next to move forward. Now comes the fun part, adding sound. Tap the Add Sound button at the top of the screen. TikTok offers a massive library of trending songs and sounds to enhance your video. Choose a sound that matches the vibe of your content. For example, I'm selecting this one here. Perfect. Once you've added your pictures and sound, you can preview your video. Feel free to use TikTok's editing tools to adjust the transitions, add effects, or text for extra flair. When everything looks good, tap next to proceed. Finally, write an engaging caption, add some hashtags, and hit post to share your creation with the world. Your picture-based TikTok video is now live for everyone to see. And that's how you add pictures to your TikTok videos in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.